berok nangi menjur bagi yoi bagi kena bun sien ki yam namar bagi pang ki beniat bat kadau jeng kene kede ke jingyong ki beniat kene kala ban kata ya kakot kakia jeng ki ban lait na kom kini ki jingpang phila ban yo ki jing penshai bat ki jing yarap bat jing sumar ha ki hospital lengba ke National Oral Health Program NOHP omdei ban nget bet nishania ha ki jing sumar ki bomdei lengba ki hospital ban yo ke jing penshai bat ke jing yarap ke bakam benia ke don ke special camp and general check up ha umsning CHC ha ka arpotrik umarch ar hajar khandai Shupo baje man step hado shibaje no paisngi man rakhe ya kani ka World Oral Health Day ni aware ya baro ba phen ya poi shakani ka kam
da ka thong ban pen priang ya ka khubor ba ka jingtip jingnang ha ka bayade ba ka rukom pen biang ya ka bam ka di na ka penta ki khulung khna khnang bakin light na ki jingpang ba har rukom kum ka jingpang malnutrition bat pen her na ka liang ka office jong ka ICDS Nongpoh kala penlong ya ka program ban hikai ya ki nongtre aganwadi RBSK bat kwi halor ka phang ban yada na ki jingpang malnutrition bat anemia ya ka ne ka program lai trelang ru bat ka office NYKS Ribhoi district bat ka ternat social welfare lasaki ya ka jingshimenta ka bashit rehem da ki nongtre aganwadi center ki nongtre ki ba hap hapo ka ternat ka koit ka khia ki nongtre ka RBSK lem bat kwi lawan man ay ke jingnang jingtip halor ki lat jingerap ha ka bayade ba ka malnutrition kumju ka jingpang penhiar da ka Dr. Alicia Simli junior specialist na ka tanat DMNHO ka kong DV Masar DPO ka tanat ICDS Ribhoi district ka kong bayar renja CDPO Jirang block ka kong VWAR CDPO Umling block uba armor cheng BYC ka NYKS lembat ki officer lengba ka ne ka program lapan iru ikirukom aibam tikna ya ki kelung kena badru halor ki dak kishin balei ki kelung kena kimhe kimsan katkum karta ka jongki kamtam kumno roban kier na ki jingbam ki bam temet
ta ka program ko jongni duduk ki supervisor duduk ki anganwadi workers ki staff of the health department duduk ki supervisors kita member juga RBSK Pak Pamu kita dan hari tak recommend dan sila hari ke program dalam penting kita hari ke sini. Di benda yang apa kita hari ini berkata malnutrition, but kita kitchen jangan kata malnutrition. Artinya malnutrition mal berbahasa meal. Nutrition tempat akabili bak kabam kadi. Tempat lada kabam kadi nimnang ban bam ha. Nimnang ban bam ha kabiko kabadai kapen sini ya kabel. Lada ni bam if we eat, malnutrition has come from the two words, one is mal, which is bad, and one is nutrition, is about the food that we eat. Okay, if the food that we eat is not in a proper way, okay, we eat too much, then it's bad for our health. We eat too little, then we don't get the nourishment. Like that. Bila kita makan, ni sangat nak syukur. Lagi bang, duna apa? Ni hiar kerja, nanti ni swai, nanti ni lingkut. Ni haban, nama yang kata balance. Syua bagian tiap yang kata apa? Ni tiap kuno bagian impet, lelaki orang beriu bersama. Kemudian kita orang bawa beliau ulang bersama. Kat lu kajin tahu, kat lu kajin drum, kat lu seperti kita, kat lu ini banyak orang yang ubah, udah bersama. Dia nak yang jangka World Health Organization. Apa nama World Health Organization? Kibun di organisation kita ini buat health. Kita di buat yang kita di kendor. Buat yang kita di kendor. Ba lada ukna uduna pala yang kita jingjuang tempat ya sebenarnya tanah syukur balik lada uduna pala yang kita jingjuang tempat udah ubah lingkar ubah sama abnormal short dia kadang kami ini banyak semua yang kita cut off marks ba ban orang yang kena lah ulang normal ke jingjuang dia ulang abnormal berlingkar pala boleh drop pala. Tambah hakabene but ni tentahi hakabene jomni mostly ni duna. Most of we ask focusing on when it comes to height. When you drop, you focus haga stunting. stunting tu buat ka jingjrong jong tu kena ni ka tu kena ka tu kereta ka jong ti kalong guna.
International Women's Day. Kita sedang untuk kesini dan untuk apa-apa. So this is kanir pada kami program banma lagi ban i kata kerja sio jadi Nongpoh narata kadao yes sedang ini program nata kata kerja ini launch kata kata itu benar bulan. Okay. Nanti aku cakap itu betul. Kini kita who I am, what I am, and what do we do? Firstly, we distribute coordinator of NYKS, and Kasdam was 1972, and we have about 10 million members. Akanika NYK. We don't have a Meghalaya ni trade new district. The Malnutrition district we don't be volunteers. We let the program. We don't be. I believe Anganwadi and supervisors. No, you don't feel. Then we don't be volunteers. Manlaga block bani trade. So, we have Meghalaya we trade in each and every block. Apo Bihoi district Kamtam we trade for South Liki blocks, but we don't have volunteers can be block. NYKS we trade Kamtam but youths. Kipa nado congressmen, nado lighthousemen kata. So our specific focus area is this particular group. Kipa lighthousemen support and congressmen chajra. So this is the specific task group that we work. Kunki kita come with that. We work on all kind of developmental activities that we do. Okay, leadership training programs we run. We have education and vocational training programs. Nanta we don't do sports activities. Nanta we don't do life skill training programs. Nanta developmental programs when we done at the block level or at the field level, in youth clubs level. So these are kind of activities that we are doing. We don't do the exposure trade programs. Kaba bonsie laman laka district nishit pelong. Then we thought youths. We cannot samla. Siapa berkentai banyak participate hari ini program dan kita collect. Kalau banyak interstate and at some point of time it's also a international level. Last year, even representative nanne, even opposed to Cambodia, United Nations, they were Nipa Nanganega district. So, this is an aspirational district. So, in aspirational district, nako UN also, UN, agency jonaro. Nile aban focus at programs. Ibangin kumno nila aban encourage youth, lene push youth ban mishatman. So these are the activities that we are doing under NYKS and also under UNDP. Now, in fact, under UNDP, UN program, we don't see sustainable goals. Currently, sustainable goals that we are working on, of which there are 17 of them. There are no goals. Take away that on good health and well-being. So, kanina program government kasni kawan the theme jonga good health and well-being. Shusho kung kita kikim ibon ibang i-trade on environmental issues. Ibon piniki program ibang i-trade. They mapig bagang feel kalau na jingikai on natutu ibang i-trade lang bagni because you have more information at the ground level and field level rather than us. Ni shusho ko any for district. Ni shusho information na field.